Lusk here, and I've decided I want to go over how exactly my hex editor works, because there has been some sort of confusion on the forums. So, firstly, it takes an argument, like at the beginning, for which file that you wish to edit. So I'll just edit this file, for instance, and right here, this is the hexadecimal, or the hexadecimal code for each one of these letters over here. Now, as far as editing these goes, there's two ways to do that. The first, when you select an area, you can just start typing. And if you decide that you don't want that edit, you just select off of it and it doesn't edit. But if you do decide you want that, so let's put that in. But you have to clear the buffer first. There we go. And then press enter, and you'll see that is now there. So that's the first mode, and what can be irritating about this is if we want to try to type in a string over here, we have to press enter every single time. But if you go over here to edit mode and set this to fill, then you should be able to type in the string just fine now. And basically, once the buffer is filled, it will allow you to type, and you don't have to press enter. So if I wanted to, I could hold down 0 and just pretty much delete all the contents of this file. Oh, sorry about that cut. I just had some things messed up in OBS. So, as I was saying, let's go over some of the other functions that this program has. So, under the address area, if we press Ctrl and J, you can jump to any address that you want. And what's useful with this, also under the same address area, is we can save an address. And let's say we're editing a string over here. We can go into the address tab and click go to save and jump right back to where our saved address was. You can also insert strings as well under the edit tab. It only supports hex though as of now, but that should be changed in the future. Another function HexIt has that I haven't listed is you can press page up and page down and well, essentially scroll through the pages of the file. It's a lot quicker than just scrolling all the way, but not as fast as jumping, of course. So the last feature that the program has so far is the ability to find strings or hex. So if we press Ctrl F, or again we can get this from the drop down menu, we can choose a mode of what type of string to find. And as you can see, it found the string right here. So what this also does is, let's say we're at the top address. If we find the same string again, you'll notice it says a different location. This searches for the text below, like from the beginning of the string you can see here all the way down to the end of the file. The last thing is these buttons at the top. This button right here creates a new file. This is open, this is save, this is find, and this is resize. So if we wanted to, we could resize this to something incredibly small, from 10,000 to 32. Let's see how long this takes. Very fast. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and if you enjoy using the program, be sure to give it a thumbs up on the forums. It helps a lot. And Lusk out.